light, and we were, you know, laying into third or fourth gear, and I think we were up at 5.5 to 6. And all of a sudden, the car just hesitated, like lost power.
Briefly.
Yeah, just real quickly. Yeah, light came on, and we coasted up to the light because we stopped at the light. When I went to go in first, second gear, and it got up to 2, all of a sudden the car was like didn't want to go, like as though it was misfiring or something. Like not good. Or not.
Awesome. So he has October break, and you guys are going to go for his birthday. Nice. Yeehaw. This is awesome. Oh my gosh.
I mean, isn't that ridiculous?
It's so comfortable.
I know, right?
I'm like, oh my god.
Just
whoa, it's crazy.
like that pull is crazy.
So good. This hugs too.
What was that?
Wow.
Yeah, it's like
Try to shift to get it out in a second.
it's like cutting out when I go up into son of a bitch. No. I knew I shouldn't have drove this car, Karen.
Oh, Corey.
I don't think I did anything wrong. I got it right up to 6, like he said. Just hope I didn't like over rev it or something. I'm pretty sure I was paying attention to that.
Does it sound okay now?
It sounds okay, but it is not wanting to go up. Like
The rev
something cut out when we got up to a speed, but
Right.
oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord.
Okay. Well, thank you for taking
Oh
me out.
sure.
I hope nothing
Let's hope it wasn't an expensive one.
happened.